Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me in relation to a video that I made about the failure of the MAF sensor. The P0100, for one in a small air leak in the intake system. The question is, how is it that the failure of the flow meters comes out? If the problem is a small air leak, even changing the new flow meter, it also comes out. Why does it happen? Let's see. This happens because the AQ must know at all times the volume of air entering the engine, as well as the temperature and pressure of that air, whether in the intake manifold or manifold. That last measurement is given by the MAF sensor. Inverted question mark. What is happening? That the MAF sensor is giving it a certain volume, but that volume, the AQ detects that it does not correspond to the pressure that volume should give on the map, so look for the fault here, okay, because this, in fact, it is a generic fault, so, as long as there is that air leak, the vehicle will continue to malfunction. There are vehicles that, when this fails, whether it is due to volume, temperature or pressure, sometimes they simply disconnect the turbo from the engine, to protect the engine, but there are some vehicles, for example, the Renault engine, and others, some, not all, that directly, you turn on the engine, and after 2 seconds the engine turns off. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.